Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Mexican food. To begin, embrace the vibrant world of Mexican cuisine by focusing on fresh, high-quality ingredients. Think ripe tomatoes, crisp onions, and fragrant cilantro as your foundation. Mastering a few key techniques, like roasting chilies to unlock their smoky depth or pressing your own warm tortillas, will elevate your dishes significantly. We'll also delve into the aromatic spices that define this incredible culinary tradition. Let's talk about some essential ingredients that truly make Mexican food shine. Ripe avocados are a must for creamy, rich guacamole, a perfect accompaniment to almost any meal. Don't shy away from dried chilies. Varieties like ancho and guajillo offer incredible depth and smoky notes to your sauces. And remember, a squeeze of fresh lime and a sprinkle of cilantro can brighten and balance flavors beautifully in countless dishes. Now, let's explore some beloved Mexican dishes you can master. Tacos are incredibly versatile. You can fill them with anything from savory carne asada to tender al pastor. Enchiladas offer a delightful experience of layered tortillas, rich sauce, and melted cheese. And don't forget salsas. From the fresh, mild pico de gallo to a fiery habanero, learning to make a few different types will truly enhance your cooking. To truly capture authentic Mexican flavors, here are a few crucial tips. Always toast your whole spices lightly before grinding them. This simple step dramatically intensifies their aroma and taste. If you have one, a molcajit, a traditional mortar and pestle, is fantastic for grinding spices and creating salsas with a wonderfully rustic texture. Finally, remember to balance the 5 key flavors: sweet, sour, salty, spicy, and umami for a truly harmonious dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.